Before you begin, remove the rear cover. Removal. Disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Caution. Use care when disconnecting the wireless antenna cables from the wireless module. A damaged cable or connector can degrade tablet performance. Carefully disconnect the wireless WAN antenna cables from the wireless WAN module by grasping the connectors with a small pair of needle nose pliers or tweezers. Remove the 2.5mm P0 Phillips head screw that secures the wireless WAN module to the system board. Grasp the wireless WAN module by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Reverse this procedure to install the wireless WAN module. Important: when installing the wireless WAN module, be sure to align the notch in the wireless WAN module with the key in the wireless WAN module slot in the system board.